Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Start your mornings right with the YMMIND 12 ounces French press coffee maker, a sleek, reliable, and versatile essential for any coffee lover. Whether you're at home, in the office, or out in nature, this compact press brings the rich flavor of freshly brewed coffee right to your fingertips. Crafted for more than just coffee, this 12-ounce French press is a multifunctional brewer that can also be used to make loose-leaf tea or froth milk for your lattes. With a 2 to 3 Cuban pesos capacity, it's the perfect size for solo mornings, small workspaces, or intimate gatherings. Its elegant copper finish and compact design also make it a stylish addition to any kitchen or coffee corner. Built with premium, safe materials, the YMMIND press features thickened borosilicate glass, a high-quality 304 stainless steel frame, and BPA-free plastic. These materials not only make it visually appealing but also highly durable, resistant to heat, rust, and deformation. Whether you're pouring boiling water or enjoying a second brew, you can count on its strength and safety. What truly sets it apart is its advanced 4-level filtration system. Equipped with 4 stainless steel screens, 2 installed and 2 extras for replacement, the system filters out 99% of coffee grounds, delivering an ultra-smooth, rich coffee experience. You'll enjoy a clean cup every time, with all the aroma and body, but none of the grit. Cleaning is effortless. The components are designed for quick disassembly and easy maintenance, with dishwasher-safe parts like the plunger and filters. The glass carafe can be fully rinsed out, making your next cup as fresh as the first. And because accidents happen, YMMIND offers worry-free after-sales support. If your product arrives damaged or if the glass breaks, simply reach out through your Amazon order page. They'll send a replacement beaker without hassle. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a home barista, the YMMIND French press delivers on quality, durability, and taste. It's an affordable, stylish solution to enjoy barista-level brews anytime, anywhere.